Central Bank of France eyes XRP as basis for digital euro. Not all cryptocurrencies have the attributes desired by central banks for hosting CBDCs, but we all know that Ripple XRP is unique in these cases. A CPA Australia report has singled out Ripple's XRP as a good token on which to possibly build a CBDC. The Central Bank of France, one of the major European central banks, is also seeing XRP as a potential platform for issuing the digital euro in the near future. Let's know more about this. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, you will know about the French desire to use Ripple's CBDC as basis for digital euro, why Ripple is the better alternative, but before that, you will know about American bankers going against the CBDC, and finally, you will know about Amazon that is developing its own currency secretly. So, let's start our video. American bankers go against CBDC. The American Bankers Association has warned lawmakers about real-world trade-offs that could significantly reshape the banking system in a world of CBDCs. The defensive stance comes in a year that already saw the Eastern Caribbean going live with its own CBDC, and many countries have announced development programs for their own sovereign digital currencies. Last week, Brazil announced the guidelines for the potential development of a CBDC after launching a working group in 2020, just 1 year after a meeting with Ripple. In a statement for the record of Senate Banking Subcommittee hearing, the banking trade body said that choosing between the various CBDC designs requires serious and complex policy trade-offs, and that too often CBDC proponents take a highlight reel approach to describing CBDC, cherry-picking all the perceived benefits while downplaying the serious risks to customers and our financial system. The ABA named no names, but seems to be pointing fingers at the many distributed ledger technology firms that are offering services to develop CBDCs. These include R3's Corda, Ethereum, Stellar, Hedera, EFTPOS, and Ripple's private version of the XRP ledger. While the ABA sees no viable use case for a digital dollar, the European Central Bank is pursuing a digital euro within the next 5 years. ECB's Panetta has proposed a plan that limits each citizen's wallet to 3,000 euros. One of the strongest constants for the development of the digital euro is Ripple, which seems to be a favorite in the eyes of France. Hang on to the next section where you will know more about this. Ripple Labs is most probably looking to strike a deal with the Fed to use XRP in the system. The firm, however, is somewhat stuck in a lawsuit with the SEC, which may be hampering the firm's panache among central banks. France eyes Ripple's CBDC ledger for digital euro. Previously, a report consisting of 47 pages was prepared for professional accounting body CPA Australia by RMIT University. The title of the report was Central Bank Digital Currency, CBDCs, a Comparative Review. This report provides a review of the 3 most transacted digital currencies. XRP was also among the 3, along with Bitcoin and Ether. The document was revealed that the French Central Bank has been discussing Ripple and XRP as a possible basis for launching digital euro, after discussing the 3 cryptocurrencies. France's central bank, Banque de France, has openly discussed Ripple XRP as a possible platform for Europe's central digital currency. Talk of creating a digital euro has been going on for years, ever since Bitcoin gave rise to the digital asset ecosystem, which is currently valued at around $1.3 trillion. In a blog post published on March 3rd, Ripple said that more than 80% of the world's central banks are actively exploring some form of sovereign bank cryptocurrency, and that eventually there will be a wide range of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Ripple has announced it is piloting a private version of the XRP ledger. This will allow central banks to create and manage their own digital currencies. Ripple claims its CBDC private ledger, which is based on the same blockchain technology that powers the XRP ledger, is able to satisfy the needs of governments and economies with a secure, controlled, and flexible solution. The CBDC private ledger is built for payments and issuing cryptocurrencies. Ripple's native digital asset XRP can be leveraged as a neutral bridge asset for frictionless value movement between CBDCs and other currencies. It can handle tens of thousands of transactions per second, or TPS, initially, with the potential to scale up to hundreds of thousands of TPSs over time. According to Fabio Panetta, a member of the executive board of the European Central Bank, in order to preserve money as a public good, central banks must go digital. The digital euro would increase customer choice, reduce transaction costs, and support the digitalization of the economy. XRP is a better and centralized alternative. The report speaks of Ripple as an alternative platform to Ethereum, and XRP as a coin that runs on its own ledger, stating that Ripple does not operate on a blockchain network per se, but has its own ledger for performing transactions, presumably the XRP ledger. The authors have also mentioned that Ripple is trusted by multiple banks as a model for CBDC due to its high centralization. The report takes a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, and outlines why they are not as attractive a choice for a potential CBDC. As stated earlier, Ripple and XRP enjoy the trust of many banks as a model for CBDCs because it is highly centralized and is based on a permission network where only certain network nodes can validate transactions, as opposed to decentralized and permissionless Bitcoin and Ethereum. The other two biggest cryptocurrencies have also been looked at. However, the report calls Bitcoin a too risky means of exchange. As for Ethereum, it is decentralized and cannot be controlled by any government. CPA states that, in their option, Bitcoin is far too volatile to ever host a CBDC, which should match the value of current legal tender. Despite it not being legal tender, Bitcoin is popular, and it is accepted as a medium of exchange in many places. Bitcoin's prices have been subject to spectacular volatility in recent years, and this volatility has resulted in a lack of confidence in Bitcoin as a medium of exchange or as a store of value and raised concerns among central banks as to the viability of cryptocurrencies as CBDCs. The report goes on to state that although Ethereum is a better spot due to its capability of hosting smart contracts and the like on its network, Ethereum is too decentralized to be able to be used safely by banks. CPA's report appears to take a stance that greatly differs from that of the American SEC regarding Ripple. While the SEC claims that XRP's more centralized nature could lead to it being more of a security than Ethereum, CPA states that this centralization makes it much more viable for the creation of a CBDC. The CPA are not the only ones to claim that the nature of Ripple could spur on the creation of CBDCs. Banque de France reportedly believes the same thing, as pointed out earlier in the video. Amazon developing a digital currency in secret. Amazon may very well be planning to launch a digital currency of its own. The project hasn't been announced yet, but a recent job post may hint that way. A job announcement for a software development manager, digital and emerging payments, found by CoinDesk, states that the company intends to launch a new payment product starting with Mexico as our initial launch country. This product will enable customers to convert their cash into digital currency, using which customers can enjoy online services including shopping for goods and/or services like Prime Video. Facebook was the first big tech company to announce a cryptocurrency project, Libra. In December 2020, it was rebranded as Diem. The 27-strong Libra Association planned to launch a digital version of several currencies, plus a digital composite of all its coins. In order to address backlash from regulators over its initial plan to create one synthetic coin backed by a basket of currencies. Now, the plan is to launch a single coin backed one for one by the dollar, a stable coin. Diem is not meant to rely on cryptocurrency mining. Only members of Diem Association will be able to process transactions via the permission blockchain. The Diem Association officially plans to transition to a permissionless proof-of-stake system within 5 years. But according to their own materials, no solution exists that can deliver the scale, stability, and security needed to support billions of people and transactions across the globe through a permissionless network. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 87 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.6 billion USD. XRP is down 1.05% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 7, with a live market cap of $40 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think about this video? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.